How to enable editing in PowerPoint. This tutorial shows you how to turn off protected view and start editing your file. First, open PowerPoint. Open the presentation you want to edit. After that, if you see a yellow bar at the top saying Protected View, click Enable Editing. From there, your presentation should now be editable right away. At this point, if you don't see that bar but still can't edit, click File in the top left. In the next step, click Info. Following this, check if Mark as Final is turned on. Click it to turn it off. Once done, go back to your slide and try editing again. Keep in mind, files downloaded from email or the internet often open in Protected View by default as a security measure. Finally, save your presentation once you've made your changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable editing in PowerPoint, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.